So the burger's not bad at all. It's pretty juicy. The burger patty is pretty fresh, and good amount of cheese, good amount of bacon. Pretty good meat, pretty good burger. Almost something like burger fuel, if I'm not mistaken. And or I would also compare to Elevation Burger. So it's pretty nice. I wouldn't say it's too small or too big, but it's pretty decent enough. It's a decent size and pretty good for a burger. The taste is yummy. The sauces in the burger, the bacon has the right amount of bacon, right amount of cheese, and the right amount of sauce. And the bun is pretty soft, pretty delicious.